Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Amma. Well, if you know me, my name is still Amma. Amma Ampofo. And welcome to my unboxing video of Tory Burch. Now, did you know? Well, it was founded in February 2004 in the month of love. 2022, ain't we? Yes. Anyway, without much ado, let's just get right into it. Hello, Tory. Ooh, we broke the seal. We broke the seal. Now, I love my cloth, the back cloth, because it really does, and it has this African print vibe to it, Who wouldn't love this? This African print feel, vibe, color, texture, nature of this bag. I am loving it. And it's porous enough. Of course, that means it's a fabric. Enough for your bag to breathe, the fabric to breathe, and it has the logo on there, which is very good. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yes. Now the bag is up, and she is here. Wow. The color, amazing. The size, amazing. So we got this a couple of days ago. I needed a new bag for work. Ignore my nails, please. It's none of your business. There's a reason and a story behind that I'm not ready to tell. But I got this a couple of days ago, and let's just clean it up out of all of this and get into it. I needed something small for work. I mean, the Celine is small. Let's see, where is she? They're always right about the same size, to be honest, but see, this one is like pretty small. Really, really small. So this is going to be your regular, I'm going out for brunch kind of bag, or a business meeting kind of bag, So let's get into it. So Tory Burch is an American fashion label brand based in United States of America, in New York, founded by an American designer, Tory Burch. Oh, this is lovely. Empowering women, and that's the one I got. Oh, that's the name. Walker Small Satchel. Okay. Gray Heron. Okay. Now, Tory Burch. First and foremost, I really love her stuff. Jewelry to bracelets to bags to... It's a bit on the high side, I must be honest. Very often the bags ranges pretty much above $500. And this one is quite in there. This is a Tory Burch Walker Small Satchel in Gray Heron. Me and low tone colors are like a match made in heaven. And I love the color cacophony going on here. It has a bag hang, and then comes the sling, which I would fit, and then it actually has the Tory Burch name on there, that almost invisible, and of course the very little detail. See the fineness and attention to detail on the side. The bag is not that wide, but it does fit quite an amount. It fits a lot. Your tablet or iPad should fit. It fits totally just fine. Okay, that's the case, taking all the space, but yeah, it fits amazingly well. Now that will be for one compartment. Then the other compartment will take the other space for everything else whilst you travel. Or if you don't want to travel with it, I mean, it's going to be everyday walk around. This too comfortable to hold on to. One other thing I really love is the contrast between the gray and the gold. Plus, it has these down here for you to place down, and makes it so safe to protect the leather. Now this is very fine leather with the attention to detail to the sewing. Now, if you do not know about Tory Burch, well, search for it, because I'm not even sure why you don't know about it if you love bags. Some of us have our own obsessions, and hey, I'm one of the guilty ones, and I'm not ready to even be sorry. How do we look together? We always look good together. And then of course there's the color cacophony going on here with the sea blue vibe on the gray. We'll call it color blocking these days. And if you don't want to have it there, you can just get rid of it and still maintain a very classic look. I love it there. As well as the gold contrast between this and then the gray. Mind you, the Tory Burch is equally engraved on here, but you don't really see it. It's not too loud in your face. Of course, there's a Tory Burch with a very big logo and the gold. I was a bit torn between those two, but I settled for this because I love this one more. Who knows, maybe in the future, if this one treats me well, we will be going for that look too. But then, hey, I'm really loving this. Plus, the inside has very beautiful coloring. It's of course my favorite color. Blue black. My favorite color is blue. Imagine how they've really managed to put together the different shades of blue on the gray and the gold. Not forgetting the very different compartments inside the bag. We have two wide compartments, this section and that section, and then we have the zip also in there. And they were so thoughtful enough to add two extra spaces here, definitely for your cards. And this actually fits inside instead. And just for reference sake, I am 5'6'8", so that's like 5'7", so I'm 5'7", okay? So that's it when you hold it. Ooh, girl. Pow, bam. Yeah. And then for a sling. Girl, Excuse me, sexy mama. I'm not wearing this out. I'm definitely using that going out, but I had to do it real quick. And then for this one. Okay, enough cooking. Let's finish. And this brings me to the end of unboxing of a Tory Burch Walker Small Satchel in Grey Heron. See you, and don't forget to subscribe.